Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll use the mindfulness technique soft belly to tune into our bodies and calm our mind. Settle into a comfortable seat. Allow your back to straighten and your shoulders to drop without creating any tension. For this meditation, you might also choose to lie down. If you do, take a moment to get comfortable and make sure your back is well supported. Now let your eyes gently close and notice any tension in your face. Relax your forehead, your cheeks. Soften your jaw and mouth. Relax your throat. Continue to soften your shoulders and rest your arms and hands fully. Now gently place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart. Let your hands receive your breath. And take a few moments to notice if you feel the movement of your breath in your chest and in your belly. And as your breath continues to flow, allow it to move down into your belly. Let your belly move freely on the ebb and flow of your breath. Just as a small child breathes without restraint, let it be effortless as possible. As you breathe in, think soft. As you breathe out, think belly. Inhaling, allow your belly to receive your breath and let it be soft. Exhaling, let go of any gripping or hardening in your belly. Inhale, soft. Exhale, belly. And as you keep going this way, you can choose to keep your hands where they are, or you can gently release them as long as you stay connected to your breath and your belly. And as you feel your belly soften, you might notice certain feelings, thoughts, or images arise. Whatever comes up, acknowledge it with kindness and come back to your breath again. Inhaling soft. Exhaling belly. As you feel the softness growing in your belly, let it begin to spread out into the rest of your body. On each wave of your breath, the softening of your belly expands and extends into your torso, your heart, your limbs, your mind. Our bellies can tell us a lot about how we're feeling. They can get knotted with worry, tense with anxiety, or hardened with grief. We might walk around with accumulated stress, and this gripping only amplifies our emotions. When we consciously soften there, we are directing kindness and ease to an area that holds a lot. We are teaching our body that it is safe, that it is perfectly okay, even when things are challenging. And as our body learns to relax and to trust, so do our mind and our heart. So the next time you find yourself in an uncomfortable conversation, or you feel anxiety taking a hold of you, turn your attention to your belly and allow it to soften with your breath. And if the situation allows for it, you might even place your hands there to encourage the softness. And once your belly feels relaxed, let that sense of ease extend into your whole experience. Now gently come back to your breath and become aware of your body and space. When you're ready, bring small movements back to your fingers and toes. and slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice, and we'll see you again tomorrow.